Setting up and using reports. So what is daily reports? Trace automatically creates a daily report that compares the previous day's performance with the performance from the day of the previous week for the top 3 endpoints. The daily report is displayed on the Trace overview page and it is listed in the analysis report page. Now, another one is the custom analysis reports. The daily analysis report is created automatically and does not let you choose the content of the report. However, you can create a custom analysis report and select which traces are included in the report. Custom reports include the following things, and they are a histogram of latency data, a table that lists the latency by percentile along with links to some sample traces. Latency data from a different time range that you see for comparison. A bottleneck pane that lists the RPC calls that are significantly contributors to the latency. Let us know how to create a new report. The first one is to create a new analysis report. Then in the Google Cloud, you should go to the Trace and on the Analysis Reports tab, simply click on the new report. The fourth step is to enter or select the following parameters in the form that would appear. The first one is request filter, the full URI, the URI prefix or trace filter terms. The second is the HTTP method, which is a method for the request, and here the default would be specified. The third is the HTTP status, which is going to be returned by the request, and also a default configuration would be automatically enabled for this. Then we have the report name, a human readable name for the report. When no name is specified for this optional field, Trace will create a name based on the specified request filter and the time at which the report was created. Fifth is module. App Engine module, for example, if you're using programming languages like Java, Python, Go or the PHP, so it's gonna handle the request. And of course, the default configuration would be selected. Another one is the version. This is typically the version of the App Engine application that is handling the request. Last one is the time range. Time range during which the requests occurred. You can select last hour, last 24 hours, last week or the custom range. When you select the custom, you must specify the start and end times for the range. And here you will find the default is custom. The fifth step is optional. So to compare two sets of latency data, you can select compare to baseline and then of course enter the time range for some comparison of the data. And finally, click submit.
For more details, check the link in the description. Learn with Whizlabs. Success certified.